I don't know, but I feel so washed out. Okay, there we go. There's a little bit more of my color. I feel very washed out. Like, it's so very vibrant.
I'm a baby, don't put me up on the shelf. Don't play with me, don't touch me. A technique shot.
Another fact about Aries, you gotta be brave. You gotta be courageous. You're a Ram. You're going to boom, boom, boom.
Stimulate my mind with some metaphysical, fire-breathing conversation. When I stroke your energy, I feel elated. No, it drives me crazy.
Hello, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Destiny of Manifest by Destiny. If you're new here, I discuss divination, astrology, spirituality, and my lifestyle. As you saw from the title, today I'll be trying on wigs. As you all know, I'm an Amazon associate, so I do receive a small commission whenever you make a purchase through my Amazon links or my Amazon storefront. So of course, I'm going to say thank you in advance because I know y'all are going to click those links. This is what my hair is looking like chunky twists, like chunky twists. And I have wig cap. And I have this like chocolate one, but like, as you can see, I'm like in between. They need to make medium tone wig caps. Next, I'm gonna use my Beauty Lion wig grip, which I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below. As you can see, I've used her. And yeah, I like this. It just kind of makes sure your wig stays on. And it also protects your edges. So you kind of just put it around the edges like that. Velcro, ears out. That's what we're looking like. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on the first wig. So this is wig number one. And I know you're like, Destiny, what in the holy, like all of those words that you could say after holy that aren't too holy according to society. This wig is giving that. And as you can see, you don't really, this is a full wig. You don't need a wig cap. You don't need, I mean, you need a cap to protect your hair, but you don't really need a wig grip. And I'll insert some footage of course, the Amazon images that, I don't know what to call it. The Amazon ad or listing, the Amazon listing for this wig. And I'm going to also show some pictures of me wearing this in my cosplay. Oh, my shirt's open. We can't see it good. If you didn't know, I do have a cosplay channel here on YouTube and a page on Instagram called Destiny's thumbnail break, called Destiny's Cosplay Closet. So go follow me there. It's in my About Me section and down below in the description box. As you can see, you're going to have to push her back if you don't want to cut. And I'm not really into cutting any of my wigs just yet because I like to use them for, as I said, cosplay, for dressing up. And the only thing I did to this wig is kind of pick through the roots. And I'm sure you can tell because it kind of looks like the bottom is still too curly. But I like this roller set look. Like, if I could go back to like having relaxed hair without knowing what the freedom of natural hair is, or burden freedom natural hair, who knows. But yeah, this reminds me of like having a relaxed hair and getting that fresh roller set or flexi ride set. And you see, you gotta like, you can finesse her. All you gotta do is just push her back, push her back. You see how much of my hair is out? It's okay. Just push her back. They'll never know. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna check me, boo? Who's gonna check me, boo? Who's gonna check me? Yeah, she's shedding. So this is like very much so giving cosplay, Halloween, one night only birthday type of vibes, you know? And go follow me on Instagram. I actually did and TikTok. I did a colored brows tutorial. So, you know, you could really set this off if you get you some red brows, red lashes, and you're in there. Plant mom tings. Okay. On to the next one. See how I just transformed into a whole nother girl? Like, literally, I just turned into a whole new one. I feel like a whole brand new. Gotta get close to lay it down on that edge. So mind you guys, I have treated this wig in terms of like cutting off the lace, trying to match it to my skin tone. What else did I do? Wax stick, hot comb, blow dryer. So yeah, I've done a lot to make it look more natural. It's the lace front. This is the Born Stunner in a 99J color. So the first wig was definitely more of like a cola cherry red. To me, this is definitely more of like, oh, I guess this is like a cola cherry red. Okay, so that first wig was more of like it's like on camera, it looks a lot more bright, but like in my eyes, without that light, it's giving more of like a wine color. So this is like Kool-Aid red bright. On camera, it's looking way more reddish. It's not picking up like the deep dark undertones in it. Here we have the 99J, which I love. I love how Sensational, isn't this Sensational? Yeah. Sensational did their curls and kinks. It's supposed to be 3B4C. It's definitely giving that. It's giving that. I always thought I couldn't do a middle part, but because this is like effortless beach waves, curl wine waves, it's working for me. I'm looking at myself. I'm not even looking over here. I'm sorry, y'all. Not with the widow's peak. You guys, I have a widow's peak, so that's why I said I gotta make sure I pull it to where it needs to be, to where she needs to get herself right. And I always do the glueless method. I've never glued a wig down. I'm probably gonna do it one day for like a cosplay shoot or something, but yeah, she's definitely giving like everyday wear type of wig, very professional. I couldn't see myself wearing this every day just because I don't want this hair to be on my face. I'm sensitive right there. But you could even like style her up. I don't know. I feel like I want to get every wig from this collection in this 99J color because it just does something to my neutral skin. This one's giving me the most Aryan vibes of all as like a self-proclaimed astrologer. I definitely feel that this one is the one. Ooh, wow. And you can see under the light, this has pink in it, y'all. Pink. Like it's almost fuchsia. Okay. And luckily, like she's really cooperating because I don't even have my wig brush on me right now. But yeah, like I said, she's a full wig. You can see what's going on under here. And this is a kinky straight unit. I'm sure you know what that means. When I'm doing that, it means my lip gloss is sticking to the hair. Like I said, this is a kinky straight unit, and she's giving what needs to be given. This is the Dashley unit, of course. With Dashley, you're looking at paying on the low end. So this is a nice synthetic unit number 6 in T2 red. She makes me feel bad. Like I feel like bad when I wear this one. I'm just gonna pull her out. Sometimes you just gotta do that because she wouldn't go back in. So now she had to get pulled out. Yeah, this is definitely giving me big Aries vibes. And of course, you saw my chunky twist, so don't be hating if this wig ain't lame. Because baby, I'm still slaying, okay? Do you see how effortless that like comb through is? It does get a little questionable down here, but that's fine. She's long. And when you get a unit like this, of course, you know, you can always switch her up when she gets tangled. Not with the shed hair on my shoulder. How much more time I got? 6 minutes? I'm good. I got 2 more weeks to show. This one just gives me, I'm an Aries. Born in April, if you had a question about it. This is so cute. I love this. This one's Fire Engine Red. That first one is more, see how deep it looks compared to this one? This one's like fire. This one's more burgundy-ish. Let's see. Which one are you liking the best so far? Comment that down below. Wig number 1, wig number 2, or wig number 3, which is on my head right now. So let's go ahead and move to the next wig. I don't like that, of course, but that's why she's heat safe. I'm feeling very Nicki Minaj-ish right now. The color is the only thing that's making me feel like it's not Nikki. So yeah, I feel like she's not down, but I'm the baddest. Gotta admit that. Gotta admit that. This one's the one. All you gotta do is hit her with that, and then maybe if you're into this type of thing, like give her a layered effect, and you could take her from zero to hero, from zero to hero. But yeah, this wig is, I think the construction's really good. Do you see how like the roots are dark? That T2, it's coming through. That T2 is coming through. That T2 is coming through. I'm delirious. I'm hungry. I can't wait to stop this video so I can go get me a salad from Chick-fil-A and just relax for the rest of the night. Oh my gosh, this is my baby. This is my new baby, y'all. This is my new baby. She's Naturally Star Sis Sister Wig. Sis Sister Wig. And you see there's a hole. I wish I could have showed y'all when the fro's there, it pops through. But this is by Hair Fantasies Hollywood and Zuri Wigs. Zuri Hollywood. I know who Zuri is. Okay. But this is my pretty beautiful 99J kinky straight middle part lace front wig. And yeah, she's synthetic. All of these are syntheticas. I know me and my friends call it that. Does everybody call syntheticas? Synthetica. But she's 99J. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees, which is good because that means you can hit her with that hot comb or that blow dry to layer down at the top. And she has baby hair, which I don't wear baby hair, so I'm good with that. Here's what the lace is looking like. It's very like what do I want to say? It's like it's a nice deep dark tone, but it's like lifeless, if that makes sense. You know, like it doesn't look like it has any life in it. Am I still recording? Oh, I only have a minute left. So I'm gonna be right back to take this lace off and show you this wig, and then we have one more and then we'll be done. Okay, so I got the lace off. As you can see, like I said, see how like red, brown, almost clay like it is, that tone. So here's what she's looking like. She's got lots of texture on the bottom. On the top, not so much. I do kind of wish that this texture was all throughout, but it's cool. It's cool. I mean, you see this wig, so you know you gotta be careful when you're wearing her, because she ain't no joke. She ain't no little baby wig. She's out there. She's like, I'm here. And I have it on the tightest setting because I have a pretty small head, like with the adjustable strap. But I have a wig grip on, so I think that's giving extra hold or something. You wearing this grip as close to my front as I can. And I have so many mirrors in my room that why am I reaching for the smallest one? I need to get close to the camera so I can see myself, y'all. Okay, there we go. Okay. And see, I don't wear baby hair, but there's baby hairs that they put on this, so. But of course, I didn't like fix the lace to match me. You saw I just took her out the box. I've actually tried it on before, but I didn't take the lace off. And I want to wear this one for Black Fae Day. I just think it would just be really hot, you know? Like, this is definitely fairy hair. And I can hit it with the... And of course, like I said, I have the chunky twist up there. So I probably do like flat twist going down, so everything can have like that loose feel to it. But this is giving me very much Shaka Khan tease. Am I recording? I am. This is very much Shaka Khan. This is very much, I'm a baby doll. I'm a baby doll. Put me up on the shelf. Don't play with me. Don't touch me. But take me shopping. So this is wig number 4. Comment below. What do you think about her? This is definitely also giving 70s vibe. Ooh. So now let's go ahead and get into this last wig so we can close out the video before my SD card is too full. Oh, and I have less than 5% of battery remaining. Let's do this. Okay, y'all. My last wig is a Vivica Fox original. It is the CD BRAUE Cap Do Wig in 99J. And I'm starting to believe that I really like 99J. As I said, this is a hat wig and it's box braids. They're very uniform. You do not really need a wig grip with this. You probably just need your wig cap to protect yourself. Red hair on my eyelashes. You just need your wig cap to protect yourself. Yeah, this is definitely giving athletic tees for an Aries because you know they are known for athleticism. Gotta show the earring as always. Hello you all, I'm back. Of course my camera died and then I had to go eat dinner. I just couldn't wait anymore and then that turned into my lipstick coming off. Well, first it turned into me changing my clothes. So yeah, I'm here in my robe. And of course this is still the final look. There's really not much to say about this one. I've had this one for a really long time. It lasts a long time and I just think it's so cute. Yeah, 99J is definitely one of my colors. So it's been really fun trying on these Amazon wigs and kind of beauty supply store wigs, but of course the links are below. I am so grateful if you shop. As always, it's me, Destiny of Manifest by Destiny. Until next time, bye everyone.
Baby, yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical fire breathing.